Hi, this is Richard. Welcome to the motorhome makeover. This is taking the back of the van from boring to brilliant. Let's be honest, when you have a look at this, the back of the motorhome was looking a bit builder's van, and I'm sorry to insult you guys. It's plain, it was boring, and it was crying out for some personality. So what did we do? We asked Dollar, which is part of ChatGPT, to design a graphic. But rather than the AI generating something with three legs, weird eyes, it came out with this African tribal graphic, which I absolutely loved. So took it to the Silhouette Cameo 4. This is a vinyl cutter, and scaled it up to 48 inches by about 12 inches wide, and I reversed it so we got both sides to come out, so they sort of opposing each other, and it gave it the factory look. The vinyl is Oracle 651. It's UV stabilized vinyl. It sticks perfectly, so I took the heat gun to it, and with a bit of patience, hey presto, no bubbles, and all trouble free. I did use a pin occasionally to prick them, but then the heat gun shrank it down to the back perfectly. So to finish it off, I bolted on a Fiamma bike rack. I got that off Facebook Marketplace, and it's absolutely like new, and put on a 48-year-old mountain bike. I've had this for a long time, had it from new. It's a bit of an old classic, much like myself, and that's what it looks like. So from boring to brilliant, it looks great. Hope you like it. So we're going to be doing more upgrades. We're going on lots of adventures. Please hit subscribe, drop me a comment if you'd like to know any more, and ring the bell, and I'll see you on the road. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.